Hello, these are my celery. They are not yet ready to cut. By next week, I will cut them. These are my celery. Then let's see how they're beautiful. Beautiful celery. Very nice. I will cut them very soon. I think this one is already very, very nice celery. Next week, I will cut them to use. See how nice they are. Here I grow my farms. See where I grow my farms. It's 500 meters above the city land level. Very nice crops and vegetables, authentic and without smoke on them. You can eat them. The eggplants, they are becoming growing. See, just starting the eggplants. Eggplants. The pepper, these are green peppers, bell peppers. It's a little farm just a family farm, just to plant small things to eat in the family.